Good morning everyone. Welcome to my new video. आजको यो भिडियो चाहिँ पढाइबाट मात्र हैन अरु कुराहरुबाट सुरु हुनेछ. So you have seen me in other videos studying and more किताबहरुसँग खेलिरहेको पानाहरु पढ्दै but in this video you will see me playing basketball. So why I am making this video is to tell you that we should try something new every single day. May not be possible every single day, but what I have come to realize is that if you try something different, something new once a month, it will really help you to explore your mind. It will help to expand your mind. So my suggestion for all of you is expand yourself. Try something new every single month. Once a month, create a routine that you will go out. You will do something that you haven't done before. You can be playing a football, going to swimming, playing a long tennis, badminton, or anything that you haven't done before. Thank you.
On cold days, I guess I think a little about cold it is and about the heat on hot days. When I'm sad, I think a little about sadness. When I'm happy, I think a little about happiness.